Charles, the school governing body, would like to invite all pupils of year 1 school by 3:30.
Because I have a dream that I couldn't put my seatbelt on, and then I went all through, and then I didn't put my seatbelt on.
Hoy, simbak pa. You know what, JJ? You didn't lami, mananak. Lami?
I didn't get to the mayonnaise yet.
Morning!
No,
Maaga nag-prepare si Jessica for school. Jenny, nagbibihis. Ang ating mundo today. Mukhang mainit lang yan, pero sobrang lamig. Kauwi na din kami ni Inday. Si Inday dito, hindi pa nakababa. Ang dami namang issues Facebook. Oy, ang akin, durian ra gyud aking yung nahuna ngayon. Na gusto ko makakain ulit ng durian. Yung durian na pinost ko sa aking page. Huy! Siya naman kadiha ganahan. Nakadiha mapundo. Yeah. Nabuang ko, hindi ko mapigilan yung luha ko today. Ambot na unsa. Maga tuloy yung aking mata. Nag-iyak ako sa lahat ng nanood ng aking reels doon sa Facebook. Nag-iyak ako doon as in. Kanina pa ako umiiyak. Iwan ko. Basta, meron pala akong tanong sa inyo. This package, ayan, itong post na ito is para siyang magic. Meron siyang pangalan sa akin, tapos meron nakalagay for Jen. Jen is Jenny daw. Tapos yung lagay dito is dress siya na pang, yung palagi niya mini-mention. Ayaw ko ipakita kasi nandyan. Ayan o, yung pang ballerina dress siya. Ang plano ko is ibibigay ko sa kanya sa birthday. And I hope kung sino yung nagbigay nito, please do message me. And thank you so much. Thank you so much kung sino yung nagbigay nito kay Inday Jenny. Wala akong clue. At pagpasensyaan nyo na ha, inyong Inday, umiiyak na naman. Meron lang akong pinagdadaanan sa buhay na hindi ko kayang i-explain. At ito, ma'am or sino ka... Basta, thank you sa nagbigay nito. Ito, mayroong pangalan. Wala kasi siyang nakalagay sa note. Mayroong nagsabi doon na, Happy Birthday, Will. Ganon. Will ang pangalan. Tapos, ang pangalan din is from basta, iba yung pangalan niya. So, wala akong clue kung sino nagbigay nito. And hopefully, ma-message ako ng sino nagbigay nito. Yung pang damit na ballerina. Yun. Yung paborito ni Inday Jenny. Meron siyang sapatos. Meron siyang stockings. Ayan. Marami ang nasa loob. 3 siya. So, wala kaming clue. Grabe, mainit sa labas. Mag-slice lang ako ng cucumber ni Jenny. Wala akong nagawa today. Nagmukmuk lang ako sa kwarto. Medyo masakit ang aking tiyan. Bagutom pa ako. Pero, iwan ko basta sometimes meron talagang ganitong feeling na hindi na natin lahat ma-explain. Si Rebecca, mommy will help you.
No.
Hindi ninyo. You don't need help? Cucumber. Bidari, sit down here properly, please. Sit. Who gave you the gift na? Do you know? Who? Nagtanong ako kay Ate Oni. Sabi ko, te, mag-ask lang ako kung ikaw yung nagbigay kasi mostly talaga si Ate Oni lang yung nagbibigay sa kids pag may birthday, gano'n. Siya lang yun always nagbibigay. Birthday, Christmas. Hindi talaga yan siya kanang walang absent ba? Every Christmas, every birthday, si Ate Oni, talaga yan. So, tinanong ko si Ate Oni, sabi ko, te, ikaw ba yung nagbigay? Sabi ni Ate Oni, hindi daw. Okay. So, wala akong clue. Pero maraming salamat po kung sino man kayo. Thank you so much. Pagpasensyaan nyo ang aking mood today. Medyo talaga. Dahil hindi naman perfecto ang buhay. Maroon talaga. Tignan nyo yung aking buhok. Iwis na magplan sa ako. Wala akong nagawa. Nagmukmok ako sa kama. The whole time. Let's go na lang. Dali na lang. Ay, magamit pala ako nito. Ito para Uy, salamat pala sa inyong mga advice sa pagturo ko ng mga bata sa English, Tagalog, ha? Nabasa ko po yung mga comment ninyo. Let's go. Bit-bit na ang kanyang cucumber. Nilipad yung cover ng aming pram. Hindi ko nga namalaya, nag-ulan pala. I think nabasa yung bangko ng mga pram nila. Ha? Wala, basang-basa. Yeah? Ano man to ngayon? It's so wet, anak. Huh?
That's why it's wet.
Eat na yung cucumber bee kay mommy will just book taxi. It's wet. I need to wash it. Ayan oh, sobrang basa. Hindi ko ito magagamit. Ang taxi na lang kami. Okay. Talaga siya. Nako, mali tayo nito ngayon. Now, eat that one quickly. Now. Eat it kaya I will inquire taxi. Nag-aantay ako ng taxi. Ayan, meron na. Paparating na dito. Ang bilis ng taxi ba? Asan kaya yung taxi, anak? Close your jacket kaya it's cold.
Dad, it's pretty cold.
Oh, there it is, the taxi, come on. Kasi? Thank you. Here's the bell. Yeah. Yes, please. Okay. Hmm? Let's just sit there. Hmm? Just sit there. We will be there, okay? Did you like it, the taxi? Why you moody? Nalihog, mommy. Why you so moody lalang? Huh? Gonna buy something in that shop? Yeah? Okay. Happy na siya. Ang aga namin, 15 minutes early kami. Kaya pupunta muna kami dun sa shop. Uy, uy, naunsa man ni ating camera. Wala gyud ko sa aking mindset. Si Jenny, ano kayang gusto nito? Will you buy something for JJ? Jenny? Are you buying something for JJ? Ha? Wala, uy, nag-ulan pala. Uy, ang aming pram. Sana walang magkuha. I hope walang magkuha ng aming pram doon. Hindi kasi siya nakala. At sobrang nabasa talaga siya. As in, sobrang basa. Kung naglakad kami ni Inday ngayon, ang layo pa namin. Andun pa kami sa bridge. Go there. Happy na si Inday, oh. Ayaw niya kasi sa pink jacket niya. What do you want? Ha? Do you want something? Si JJ, ito yung paborito niya. Yung ganito, oh. What are you having? Go find, look something. Ikaw, what do you wanna eat? Bilhan ko si JJ ng ganito. Ano ba yung paborito ni JJ? Ang binili ni Inday sweets. Let's go here in the bus stop. Yan lang yung mahirap pag sobrang aga kay wala kaming matambayan. Bawal kasi kami pumasok dun sa school ni Inday JJ. So, dito muna kami para hindi kami maulanan. You want to sit down there? Nakabili ako nitong bread tapos ito. You want to open it? Okay. Kumakain ako kasi sobrang gutom ko ba. Masarap ito, oh, yung chai chicken bite. Tag 1 pound lang, ang dami. Alas 3 pa lang, si Jessica is 15 namin siya kukunin. 15 mag-open yung gate. I hope hindi ito nilalamig ang isa. But that one is, this one is sour. Do you want the sandwich?
No, I want to eat it when it's in the pram.
We don't have a pram because the pram was wet. I need to
want it.
wash it.
I'm going to eat it.
Here, now.
I don't want it.
Wait, put this in your bag, babe. Yeah.
Mommy, I got a letter in my bag.
Do you? What does it say?
I think they're both for Christmas.
Don't, ala ka lang, your eyes is yellow lagi in the side. Okay lang ba yan? Siya yellow yung mata niya sa side. Let me see. Why your eyes is so yellow? Inaantay namin ng mga bata yung taxi. Color blue, ha? You have to look. Color blue.
Oh.
Oh.
Mine wasn't
Volkswagen color blue. Ayan, 66.
the one that I saw, it was silver.
Is it? 66 is back and forth 12 pound. Kung mag-everyday kami, 20 pound a day.
Where's
Na,
that?
patay.
Where's that?
Wa?
Where is that car?
I don't know. It's not
So
yet
why
here.
can't you check on it?
Where?
On the phone.
The phone? It says 1 minute. It's nearly here.
So where is it?
It's here somewhere.
Yeah, but what?
Blue, lagi blue. In Corporation Road. There is no smoking thing.
No eating spell. No sign.
Where's your seatbelt then? Sila Inday, oh.
Jenny has no seatbelt. Where's Jenny's seatbelt?
That's okay. Ang bilis lang sana pag mag-taxi.
Seatbelt to Jenny.
She's alright.
I don't want seatbelt.
Hey.
No, you have to seat belt.
She can't, but she didn't put it on.
Did you put it on?
Because she can't find it.
Why not she can't find it?
Because it's her.
You have to find.
But we can't find it. There's nowhere inside.
Look your right side up. Look your right side up.
Right side up.
Up.
Oh, why is it there?
Did you see?
There?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy cannot reach it.
She can't reach. But we can't reach. Jenny. Oh, someone
That's okay, we're nearly home. They just have mama.
The cameras will see.
It's not.
You know, canyons. Why it's there? Why can't you put it inside?
Yeah? Dito na kami sa bahay. Ang saya ng mga bata dahil yung taxi driver ba, sobrang ano niya, friendly. Si Jessica, sobrang tukative doon. Ini-instructionan niya kung saan papunta yung taxi driver. Uy, sumasayaw. Uy, ka-hyper. Magkuha muna ako ng mga labhanan para masabay ko yung sa kanila.
When Daddy comes home.
Okay. Masabay ko sa kanilang ganyan, oh. Yung para sa kanilang pram.
Honey charging.
Kay sayang naman yung ating
No, it didn't.
tawag nito, yung sabon. At saka electric. Rikoy, grabe yung aking buhok. Oh, sobrang kalat. Marimar! Ow! Oh, nabuang na yung Inday. Nag-CR si Jessica. Laban lang yun tayo, no? Sa lahat na nakakita sa aking reels doon sa Facebook, huwag kayo mag-alala sa akin. Buhi pa din yung Inday. So, mag-segregate lang ako nito kay maglaba ako. Sayang naman kung isahan, yun lang yung labahan ko ba? Sayang yung lahat-lahat. So, isabay ko na lang ito. Namaga ba yung aking mata? Uy, curious yun talaga ako. Very serious ako kung sino kaya yung nagbigay ng ano, ng ballerina dress kay Jenny ba? Yeah. Yung mga maiitim dito na yan. Nandun sila sa baba, naglalaro. Pupunta sana kami ng Morrisons. Doon na lang sana kami kakain. Kaso, hindi ko kasi nahihiya ako kay Wayne. So, dito na lang kami sa bahay. Yun ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Pwede naman kami mag-taxi, pero mag-book nga ng taxi. Tapos, yung taxi dito is, di siya ganun ka mura. Yung trip namin ni Jenny, papunta is 650 pounds. Yung pabalik is 6 pounds. So, that's 1250 pounds. So, kung ang ilang balik-balik ako, hati Jessica, pabalik-balik, more than 20 pounds a day. Gastos, so 100 pounds a week or more than 100 pounds a week. So in a month, 500 pounds. Saan man in town kami mamulot ng 500 pounds? Ang laki kaya ng 500 pounds, isipin nyo, taxi lang yan ha. 500 times 74 or 73, sometimes 75. Ganyan kalaki, kaya hindi kami basta-basta makataksi. Tapos yung iba nagsasabi, ipasa ko na daw yung aking test para makadrive na ako. Alam nyo, ang tagal ko na hindi nagbalik na naman ng pag-exam kay Mark kasi meron din ako mga iniisip na baka mag-change ako ng instructor, ganun ba. Iwan ko ba, basta. Kasi parang feeling ko hindi ako natuturuan ng enough. Kaya pinapa-drive niya lang ako, nakaka-drive naman ako. Ang gusto ko yung maraming challenges ba na maka-hill start, maka-reverse, yung mga ganun. Pero hindi tinuturo sa akin, kaya nakukulangan ako. Tapos ayaw ko na para kasi kaming friend ni Mark na mataas yung respect ko sa kanya kasi 60 na siya something, parang lulo ko lang. At kanang kampante ako ba na babait siya sa akin, pasensya sa akin, para siyang lulo ko na sobrang bait ganun. Kaya sinabihan ko si Wayne na, honey, I think it's time for me to change driving instructor. Yun yung sinabi ko sa kanya. So sabi niya, let me know. Dapat sana today, meron akong driving. Kasi last week, nag-message ako sa kanya, sabi ko na, okay na ako, wala nang problema sa akin. Kasi diba, kinuha yung aking dito sa mata, lahat-lahat. Tapos nakasakit na naman ako, tapos sabi ko, okay na ako. Ngayon, nakaschedule sana ngayon yung aking driving, hindi na naman ako okay. So, sinabi ko sa kanya, I need to cancel my driving again. Alam nyo, ilang months na ako nag-absent. Kaya yun yung dahilan. Okay, magkuha na ako nitong maitim. Pero sometimes kasi, yung dahilan ko is yung tawag nito, nang iinsulto siya sa akin ba? Na, I think joke lang man niya, pero sometimes tinitake it ko seriously na. Yung sinasabi niya nga, pagbuksan daw yung ulo ko, para siyang basher ba na, bubo, ganon. Nasasaktan ako sometimes. Sinasabi ko kay Wayne na, nagbabayad tayo, pero binubulin niya ako, yung inaano niya ako ba, dinadown niya ako. Mabait naman, walang talaga, problema, pero sometimes, yung sensitive ako ba, nasasaktan ako na, sinasabihan niya ako, bubo lagi daw ko, ganon, ganito, ganyan. Dami siyang sinasabi, kaya, si Wayne, sabi niya, pagkatapos ng driving ko sana today, maghahanap siya ng bago. Hindi ba yan insulting sa instructor ko na sobrang tagal ko na kaya sa kanya. Tapos biglaan ako mag-stop at lilipat. Yun lang din yung iniisip ko, baka maano siya sa akin ba. Pero sabi ni Wayne, wala naman daw siyang right na ma-upset sa akin dahil tawag nito, nagbabayad naman kami at choice namin yun kung mag-stop kami or hindi. Naglalaro na itong dalawa dito. Roy ka busy. Jessica, do you want this sandwich lang?
Yes.
Yes?
Is it cheese?
Yeah, I think it's cheese. Ayaw siguro nito. Chicken. Do you eat chicken?
No.
Uy, that's spicy.
Sour. I like it. You said sour.
Eat it then. Let's open. It's spicy lang. Very spicy.
No, it's sour.
Sour?
Sour.
Try it. It's spicy. Try this one, JJ.
I don't like
chicken. I think you will like it.
I don't like chicken. I like spicy.
You like spicy? La, sobrang spicy niya. Sobrang anghang. Ito yung problema ko sa kanila. Alam nyo no, sabi ako sa inyo, Tagalogin, Englishin, Bisayain. Nag-struggle yung Inday. Sabi ng iba, mag-start daw ako sa English translation, mga word, ganun. Yeah, okay. You go. Lami, mananak. Lami?
I didn't get to the mayonnaise yet.
Wow, lami. Yummy, right? Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya. What? You don't like it?
Give me more.
Oi!
He likes it.
Jenny likes the spicy one.
Let me try the spicy. Did you don't have spicy? Mommy, hot. Someone got the Jaegerman.
Uy, sobrang spicy niyan. Kumakain ng spicy. Ang mga Thai kids, grabe kumain ng spicy.
Yummy.
Is it? It's not spicy? You like Thai food? I think you can go to Thailand and you like Thai food with Mamila.
But I am from Thailand. I am from Thailand.
You are from Thailand. Yes, you was born in Thailand.
What's the capital of Thailand? Bangkok?
Yes, good job. How did you know?
Because Daddy told me.
Because Daddy lived in Thailand before. He's got a house there.
So why do you tell the taxi driver that he was in here?
What?
In this country. Oh, you mean he's been there before?
He's been there before. He lived there before. He have a family there before. Do you know that?
I thought that his family was only in the capitals of this country.
You and me? Uy, ang dila.
I like
You think only you and me and mommy? Wala na siyang pakialam. Ayaw niya pag-usapan yung past ng kanyang daddy. Uy. Pag ano ko na, ipakita ko yung picture ng kanyang kapatid. Hindi siya nakikinig. Itong aming TV dito na malaki, walang gamit, no? Andun sila sa taas. Oh, walang tao dito. Ako lang mag-isa. Si Inday ninyo, dumating na pala yung kanilang papa. Andun sila sa kwarto. Nilutuan ko na siya. Yung kinain niya is yung Thai food na kapat kai. Kapat kai. Thai food. Tapos ako ngayon, nagluluto ako ng munggos with ayan. Alam nyo, naluod ako sa aking bibig. Kayong binili ko ba na yung Thai na, ano yun? Chicken balls. Pag mag-burp ako, naaamoy ko. Hey, nagdidiri ako ba? Ay, hindi makita. Basta yun na yun. Munggos. Dito pala ako nagluto sa aming lutuan. Dito sa, ayan, sa gasol. Kay, ang aking rice cooker, hindi ko alam. Kahit marami pa siyang tubig, nag-ano na siya, kanang luto na daw, ganun. Yun na ang nakukuhan ko. Kaya doon ko nagluluto sa gasol. At sabi niya, magbili daw kanina pagdating niya. Nag-kiss siya sa akin dito, sabi niya. Huwag daw ako mag-stress, huwag daw ako mag-sad. Mas naiiyak ako, pinigilan ko lang talaga kasi ayaw kong umiyak sa harapan niya, no. Tapos sabi niya, kay masad daw kuno ang baby mo. Feel pala ng bata pag sad ang mama. Ano kayang epekto niyan? Ano daw epekto pag palagi kang umiiyak na mama? Ito talaga yung aking binuntis na sobrang ano ako ba? Hindi naman most of the time ha, pero sometimes nababaliw talaga inyong Inday na as in. Kasi siguro dahil sa weather din ba na sobrang lamig na, hindi ako makagala-gala. Tignan niyo yung aking tiyan. Ayan hulaan ninyo kung ano yung ni Inday Iljen. Wala pa to ha, hindi pa to siya full size. At wala pa, hindi pa nag-start yung aking stretch mark. Pero madami na yung stretch mark dyan, oh. Ayan, puro yan stretch mark. Dito sa ilalim. Apil lubot ko, puro yan stretch mark. Nung buntis ako kay JJ at Jenny, puro stretch mark. Ayan yung foundation. Yes, good job. Why you said she's vlog?
Yeah, I'm talking to
her. Who you talk?
Daddy.
Why? What Daddy said?
Daddy said, what's mommy doing?
Oh. Hoy, hot man na. Mura kag bear, anak. You look like a bear. Are you my pretty little bear? Sus. Naglalaro na naman ng iPad si Badiday.
Who wants socks?
What is the letter in... Hey, dirty man ay mong socks, oy. What's the letter in your bag say?
I don't know. Get it.
Sus, ang mukha, oh.
And there's another thing that you break at Christmas.
Is it? Oh, you have to give that to Daddy, Kaw. Give it to Daddy, Kaw.
You!
It's the raffle thing. Ang aming carpet sobrang brown na naman.
Mommy, here's the letter. And
What is it say? What is it say? Oh, that's for your raffle lang. This one. What's this one say? Can
I don't know. You read it.
Read it for mommy because you know how to read. You're very good in reading. Nantel mommy. Sige.
So in school you're allowed to do everything you want and poo poo.
Kay buot, oy.
See, I'm not good at reading.
In school, you're allowed everything you want daw and poop. Kanina, binigyan ako ni Jenny ng hug. Kasi sabi ng kanyang daddy, hug daw ako. O medyo na okay na yung aking utak. Mag-off na ako dito, no? Mamaya na ako, kakain na naman ako magkuan. Hindi ako naghapunan, nag-inom lang ako ng kape at saka ano yung kinain ko. Basta tapos inaya niya ako, magpunta daw ako sa taas. Wag na daw ako magawa-gawa dito. Doon na daw ako diretso sa taas. Kaya manood daw kami, mag-relax. Mag-relax pa na. Ka-relax pa kaani dahi nga. Teka, mag-charge muna din ako nitong cellphone. Huy, hala, uy. Alam niyo, nagtanong siya kung mayroon na ba daw akong alam kung sino yung nagbigay ng balerina ba. Balerina ba? Charge this, please. Hala! I thought I'm done. I have washing man di ay. Downstairs.
Oh, the washing machine?
Yeah.
I can help you now. 14 days.
Tulungan niya daw ako. Honey, read this one, be.
Huh?
What's that say? I told her to read and she said in school you can do everything what you want and Pupo too.
Two parents, Charles, the school governing body, would like to invite all pupils of year 1, 2 and 3 to visit the Congress Theatre, Cambran. On Thursday, December the 12th. The children will have a privilege of watching Aladdin.
They're watching Aladdin? Tignan nyo si Inday. Nakahag,
the trip will be
Daddy.
So wait,
Kiss
are
ka,
we
Daddy?
going on a bus?
Yeah.
Kiss ka, Daddy?
Wait, no, I don't want to.
Tinanggal na naman yung kanyang
I had a
buhok.
dream of the bus, and then I couldn't put my seatbelt on.
Oh.
And then I
The trip will be completely free for all pupils. Be able to take a drink and a snack from home to have at the theatre. The children will leave school at 12 p.m. and travel by coach to the venue.
Whoa, you excited?
I don't want to go on a bus because I have a dream that I couldn't put my seatbelt on, and then I went all through and then I didn't put my seatbelt on.
Packed lunch by.
Honey, she don't want to go to bus because she have a dream that she didn't have seatbelt and she go all through.
This is a coach.
She said she go all through now.
A coach, this coach, can coach drive?
School uniform must be worn on this day.
Daddy?
If your child uses an blah blah blah, please complete and return the attached permission slip to your
It's
child's
a permission
teacher by
slip,
Friday,
JJ.
6 December. Unless you have permission, the child's unable to go on the trip.
Daddy, is that the bus that can drive through snow?
It's a bus.
Honey, do you think she's okay? Her eyes is quite yellow.
No, she's got everyone's real mummy. This is crazy, isn't it?
Hala! Hala! Jenny have a concert. What are you singing? Huh?
Pig.
Actually, it's and nothing in the prey. Oh, Jenny in the prey. Wanty. Tulungan niya daw ako ay magsampay. Yung aming mga sinampay. Nandito. Kalat. You know what, JJ? You didn't even win the raffle since.
Right. So it says here, write your child's name and class on the other ticket. Right, so your name and class.
Name is Jennifer Lawless.
So
No, me.
Oh, what is it?
My name.
What's your name?
JJ.
Oh,
Jessica
JJ
Lawless.
Lourdes.
No, JJ.
Gotta keep that.
Okay,
That's
that's
home.
writing.
Why do you need
Because when they pull the raffle out, you gotta show you got the other ticket to get your prize.
Did you win ever?
What's the prize for the raffle?
I don't know, sweeties, I think.
I've got to put £2 in there with, so Jessica Lawless raffle tickets, yeah? I spell raffle. And then you can take it, okay?
Write a letter if we can.
What is it? A letter for Santa?
No, a letter to. We send a letter to someone that to donate clothes.
Is
For
it?
our shop.
Oh, what did you write?
It's for Jenny, really.
So address, date, a greeting, an opening, and ending.
Is it?
They're
What?
the keys.
Is that the letter?
Yeah. And
But-
we
But what
didn't
did you write?
we didn't write something yet. We're just on step 1.
Oh, you're still in step 1.
JJ, I got to put £2 in there. It's up there, right?
Gabing-gabi naka-off na yung aming Christmas light. Dito tayo chika kaya ang mga bata, ang hirap nilang patulogin. Anong oras na? 7:30. Ay, naku. Itong mga bata nito. Tapos, ang dami ko ditong ititiklop. Dami pa akong gagawin. Alam nyo, naglalaba pa din ako until now. Kanina, grabe yung aking pag-atake ng kuan ba? Pagkasad. Tapos, na-okay na ako. Ngayon, bumalik na naman siya. Parang high, up and down yung aking emotion. Iwan ko bakit siya ganito. Ay. Sinabihan ko si Wayne na babalik ako ng Thailand para magturo. Sabi ko sa kanya, honey, balik na lang kaya ako ng Thailand para magturo ako doon. Buang-buang naginiin yung Inday, no? Kung ano-ano na lang naiisip. Kung dalhin ko kasi yung sa Thailand lang kasi ang problema doon is ang visa. Mahirap mag-visa-visa doon. Kailangan mo mag-exit sa Laos, sa Cambodia. Dati, nung wala pa akong work permit kasi dati, dalawang school, sa hindi pa ako nakatrabaho ako doon sa school ng auntie ko na international substitute lang pag may absent na mga teacher, ganon. Nakaka-substitute ako, 1 day is 1,000 pesos doon sa Thailand yung substitution. Tapos, pagkatapos ng mga ilang buwan talaga ako walang trabaho. Ang aking expectation, pagdating ko doon, meron akong trabaho diretso, ganun ba? Hindi pala, ang hirap pala, maghahanap ka pa ng trabaho, tapos nag-pray na gid ako noon, nag-pray na ako, tapos naka-open yung bintana, sabi ni mama, bakit ka nag-open ng bintana? Sabi ko, para makita talaga ako ng Panginoon man na nag-pray ako dahil ang hirap pag walang trabaho doon, wala kang pang-exit. Kasi pag ma-expire, parang meron lang siyang days pa, pag ma-expire, renew mo na naman yung visa. Tapos yun yung nangyari, wala pa akong trabaho, mga ilang months talaga, na-depress na ako. Tapos yung akin, pag yung boyfriend on that time, parang ang sinisik niya is attention ko ba, tapos ako, stress na stress ako, gusto ko maghanap ng trabaho, wala pa akong trabaho. Moto, nagkabulagay, may kiwa na nagkasinabtanay, tapos nakahanap ako ng trabaho from Bangkok, Thailand, sa capital, mga 4 hours away drive na sa province, parang Cagayan to sa amin. Ganun, ang layo. Hindi talaga ako naging happy dun. Tapos dun ko siya nakilala dun. Siya yung always tumatawag sa akin, nangungumusta sa akin. Siya yung nagbibigay ng lakas sa akin ba. Sinabi ko sa kanya today, sabi ko sa kanya, honey, balik na lang kaya ako ng Thailand. Magturo ako ulit dun. Parang naano siya kay, nuha na ako dun sa Thailand. Ganyan kasi tayo, no? Yung parang sa isip natin, ay, excited ako makapunta ng UK. Nung nasa Thailand pa ako, excited ako makapunta ng UK. Pagdating sa UK, iba pala din ang buhay, expectation versus reality. Tapos, ngayon, gusto namang, yung mga abroad na makakarelate kayo. Ang ano lang kasi, mas madali yung earning sa abroad. Pero, ang lifestyle, culture, and everything, mamimiss natin sa Pilipinas. Yun lang yung diferensya. So, sabi niya, if it's not hard daw dun sa Thailand, dun na lang daw kami magtira. Pero hindi pwede kayo pag wala akong trabaho dun, wala akong visa, walang work permit, palaging nag-e-exit, pupunta ka pa ng Laos, Cambodia, Dati ang dami kong napuntahan sa Laos, sa Cambodia, nakailang trip ako. Tapos, ang dami kong nakikilala kung sino-sino lang. But anyways, mamaya ko na ito balikan dito. Aakyat na ako sa taas kay i-check ko itong dalawa kung natulog na ba sila. Hindi yan matutulog. Hindi matutulog kung wala ako sa kanilang tabi. Hoy! Why not sleeping?